Hello guys, welcome to the channel, and today we're gonna have a look at the budget level PC case, Deepcool Matrexx 55 mesh. And this is one of the best cases you can get for the budget level PC build. The main things I like is that it has a lot of room. You can install a variety of different fans and even the 360 radiator. You can install even an extended AXT motherboard. It has a very good compartment for the cable management. It has a nice airflow construction, so you can get a lot of air inside the case. It also has dust filters included, and the side panel is tempered glass.